Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to minimize YouTube on Android. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to minimize YouTube on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Locate and click on the U button at the bottom right. Click on settings at the top right. Scroll down. Locate and click on playback. Under playback, locate picture in picture. If this is turned off, go ahead and turn this on. Now go back to the YouTube application and then search for the video you want to watch in a minimize mode for your Android phone. Like that, go ahead and play the video. Now once the video is playing, to minimize the YouTube application on your phone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and click on the home button. If you use navigation bar, if you use swipe gestures, just swipe up on it. And then you should see the YouTube video minimized just like this. You can now go ahead and watch YouTube on another application. And once you're done, you can go back and click on the YouTube application again, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to minimize YouTube on Android. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.